top 20 chicken breeds for your backyard coop. Looking to start your own flock of backyard chickens? You want chicken breeds that will give you joy. You want chicken breeds that will give you maximum profits. You want chicken breed that will give you maximum egg. You want chicken breeds that give you maximum meat. You want chicken breeds that will not die quickly in your farm. You want chicken breeds that are strong and resistant to infections and disease. You want chicken breeds that will match with your climate and weather condition. You want chicken breeds that will stay alive during the hard times. You want chicken breeds that will eat little and give you maximum output. That is higher feed conversion rate. You want chicken breeds that you use to crossbreed other birds to get your own parent stock. If all these questions are in your mind, watch this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, look for the subscription button and click. At the same time, click the notification button so that you will get notice of all our upcoming videos whenever they are released. Or perhaps you are wondering which chicken breeds you should add to your established chicken coop. Look no further. Watch on for our comprehensive list and video of the top 20 chicken breeds for your backyard chicken keepers to love. From the popular to the rare, we have the inside scoop on all the breeds that will make your flock the envy of all the neighboring or all your neighbors' coop. This is the Poultry Side TV, your number one global TV for all farmers. Number one, the Isa Brown. The Isa Brown is a humble chick. The name Isa Brown is not actually a breed name, but a copyrighted brand name. The breed was developed and patented by a French company in 1978 for optimal egg production. And since then, their popularity has grown to great heights. They are a well-known choice for backyard chicken coop keepers and farmers alike. And these gorgeous girls are a renowned favorite for a bunch of reasons. We love the Isa Brown for her gentle nature, her resilience, and her extraordinary egg-laying talent that leave all other hens in the dust bath. Have a sticky beak at the 5 reasons we love the humble Isa Brown and go. Her praises daily on our mouth because of their performance. They have strong disease resistance. They have high egg production capacity. They grow fast. They are quiet and playful. They look beautiful, both in and out. Number 2, the Plymouth Rock. The Plymouth Rock chicken is a wonderful breed of chook for first-time keepers and seasoned chicken ladies and lads alike. They are relaxed, resplendent, and responsive, and make any coop a more loving and fun place to be. Introduced in the early 90s, the breed was named after the town of its origin and quickly rose in popularity across America due to their excellent egg-laying skills and their laid-back look on life. Polymorok hens make great additions to backyard chicken coops, and our experts just love their chilled out vibe and kid-friendly nature. They have a little peck at just 5 reasons why it is easy to adore these happy go-lucky hens. Resilience to disease, good looking, good egg production, good height, excellent feed conversion rate. All these qualities they possess. Number 3 is the Benvelder. The Dutch breed Benvelder breed has to be one of the most popular, distinctive and attractive types of backyard chicken in Australia. Though breeds like Asa Brown, Astrolops and Orpington are, of course, extensively popular due to their high egg yield, Benvelders are still a standout breed due to its unique plumage, quirky personality, and of course those pretty and peculiar eggs that they lay. But for most chicken ladies, it will be love at first sight when they see the iridescent green tinge of their feathers of a Benvelder chook. Now, any sensible person knows that looks are not everything, so it is essential that you find out more about the other qualities that make Benvelder chicken so uniquely lovable by having them within your cube and by rearing them. Number 4, the Australops. That's the response you will get if you have a cube full of freaky, friendly, and fabulous Australops. Us, 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 us. That's how they make sound. The locally bred Australops are a favorite in many Australian backyards due to their brilliant black, white, or blue plumage, exceptional egg-laying talent, and their characteristics happy-go-lucky attitude. Though we absolutely love chickens from all over the world, from the elegant English Orpingtons to the alluring American Rhode Island Reds, there is something special about a homebred lady. For cube and country, make sure you have a squeeze and you love the Australorp chickens and everything about them if you have them around your backyard cube.